Hello and welcome to this December 3rd, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we're taking a look at Fortinet Incorporated, ticker symbol FTNT. This is about a $2.4 billion technology company. Ordinarily, we have daily charts. In this case, this is actually an intraday chart for the last 2 months. Each one of these candlesticks represents 60 minutes or an hour. Taking a look at the chart, you can see that we've had a couple of big breakouts back toward the end of November, and then again, the end of October, and then again at the beginning of November. You can see the volume that came in on these moves to the upside. FTNT really for the last several months has been under accumulation. And just recently, since the beginning of November, it has formed what's referred to as continuation pattern. These are very bullish when in an uptrending stock, because these continuation patterns tend to break out in the direction of the prior trend. So in this case, with this push to the upside and this sideways consolidation showing equal highs and increasing lows, higher lows, you get this impact of an ascending triangle, really. So this is really a basing pattern as the stock prepares for what we believe will be another push to the upside. Now, confirming that move would be a break above $33. If we do spike above 33, and we closed at 32.44 on Thursday, by the way. But if we can break through $33 and we get a spike in the volume, which would be nice to confirm that move, this pattern actually measures from 33 down to this low at 29, so it's roughly $4. Tack that on to 33 and you get to 37. So a move through 33 is likely to take us back up to the point where we were back in early November. That's at least the way I would look at this chart. The moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, you can see is above the center line here on the 60-minute charts, pointing up. If we get a breakout, it should be in a great position to move higher with price, which would indicate bullish momentum. So we'll keep that in mind. Volume recently has been pretty light, but that's normal during a back and forth basing period. It's really the breakout where we want to see that increase in volume. So keep your eye out for that. But even on the 60-minute chart here, RSI is only 59, stochastic 78. So if we do get a breakout, there's room to run. So we do like FTNT. Now to the downside, we would keep a stop in probably at the 20-day exponential moving average. You can't see that on this chart because this isn't a daily chart. This is an hourly chart. But if you do pull up a daily chart, you'll see that FTNT for the last several weeks, even months, has been holding on to support each time it's fallen back to test its 20-day moving average. So that is an area that I would keep in mind to the downside to protect against any big losses. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.